Writing, Unit 7, Lesson 6. I can choose a life topic tied to an idea or lesson learned that I will develop in my notebook or on my Chromebook. So you're going to reread all of your entries, your jots, your lists, and your write-alongs. So what are you learning about yourself as you reread them? What do I want people to know about me and why? Is this a life topic tied to an idea I have a lot to say about? Or one thing that will help me and my readers think deeply about something? Select a life topic tied to an idea that you're going to develop in a variety of ways before drafting. Fold the next page in your notebook in half, and then write the justification for your choice on the folded page. So here is my folded page of my notebook, and this was my justification for the topic that I chose. I chose the topic of the last time I saw that dentist. I chose this life topic because it had a huge impact on how I grew up and acted around those I wasn't familiar or felt safe with. This was an unfortunate lesson I had to learn as a very young child. And that's what you're going to do. Choose a topic and then write why you're choosing that. Be sure to include kind of what lesson learned your readers will gain from reading your memoir. Good luck!